The Microsoft Teams Insights is a handy tool that allows educators to track their students' activities and keep track of assignment turn-in, among other things. But if it fails to work as intended, here are some ways that you can try to fix the problem. First, what you can try to do is to wait patiently, as one of the most common issues reported by users refers to data not loading. Now, as your students become more active, Insights will collect more data. Moreover, the application needs 24 hours or even up to 2 to 4 days for the data to trickle through. Now, regularly logging in and out on the Teams desktop application may speed up the process. Next, try enabling an engagement report feature. Now, you have to ask your IT admin to take care of that task if you don't have access to the admin center. And lastly, make sure you're running the latest Teams version on your device. And to update your Teams application, click on More Settings, select Check for Updates, wait for the process to be finished, relaunch the application, and check if your Insight reports are available now. Then, ask your students to do the same. This will allow Teams Insights to collect data more accurately. And those are the ways on how you can make sure that the Teams Insights feature works properly. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.